Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting identifiers, the exact journal title, both ISIN values, and the publisher name. This avoids confusion from similar titles. Once done, grab one recent article DOI or title so you can test whether Scopus has indexed its content. Then make sure you can reach Scopus sources via institutional login or the public sources search, because you'll cross-check title and ISIN there. Doing these 3 items first saves time and prevents false negatives when you search. Now you run the core checks. Search Scopus sources using the ISIN, that is the most reliable key, and then search by exact title if the ISIN returns nothing. Once on the source page, inspect coverage years, which document types are indexed, and the subject areas listed. These explain why some articles may or may not appear. Then search Scopus for a sample article by DOI or title. Finding that item confirms active indexing rather than past or partial coverage. Finish by saving proof. Take screenshots of the Scopus source page and any sample article records, noting coverage years and ISIN matches. If you don't find the journal, check common problems. Title variants, switched ISIN, or publisher renaming, these often cause misses. If discrepancies remain, contact Scopus support or the journal publisher with your documented evidence. Request clarification or correction. One troubleshooting tip: always try alternate ISIN and exact title spellings first. That fixes most false negatives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.